Guys, I am going to do my bow tutorial of the week, and I have picked out some ribbon, and I picked out this cool cactus ribbon. I don't know if you can see it right here. These are going to be the ribbons I'm going to use today, and I'm going to put it on this square cedar looking wreath that we have right here, and I've put it on a diagonal, and so I am going to make a bow. Look how cool this ribbon is. This cactus ribbon, it's got that turquoise with those cactus. It's got those cactus blooms on it. And so I'm just gonna use some red to bring out that. So pick me out some black because there's a little bit of black in that. This is some really pretty ribbon. So if you're wanting some different cool looking ribbon, check us out, tmigifts.com. But this is gonna be our bow tutorial of the week. And so I'm just gonna take my ribbon, and I think let's do a big bow to go maybe at the top or to the side. This is gonna be free-handed, of course, as always. I'm gonna dovetail my end. I'm gonna take this black Swiss dot. It's a 2.5 inch. It's a really good ribbon. I love this ribbon. We're just gonna make a couple of loops here. Another dovetail. And I've got a long tail here, so let's do another little tail on here. Make this one a little shorter. Now I'm going to come in with a Dupioni green. It's kind of a chartreuse green color. We do have some other colors in this. Let's do one more loop on this. What a big bow here. I'm just going to do one loop. Cut this one a little longer. It's one thing about the ribbons, I like my bows just to have some, if I'm doing a free-handed bow, just some different lengths of these ribbons. Dovetail this one up here. And then now this cool looking cactus ribbon, put a tail on it at the top. I'm going to the other side with this. I'm just going to do a couple of loops. This. Longer. Let's do one more tail here. We'll dovetail this in just a minute. Let's do 2 loops on this one just to get my a little longer tail on this side, so I've got loops on both sides. So I got 4 loops on that one. This is just a free-handed bow here. And dovetail each end of this ribbon here. Take a look and see how that's turning out. And then I'm just going to go on the top with a 1.5 inch. It's a Dupioni as well. And this is a red. Love this ribbon. Just going to do 2 loops. You could just go at a diagonal with this, just cut it at an angle, or you can dovetail it. And then I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do me a long tail on the other side. I'm just going to do 1 loop. I'm going to cut this a little shorter on this one because we like those little bitty loops there. This is going to be my bow. Put my zip tie in. You can use Chanel stem if you like. Zip tie in here. And a zip tie. Zip tie through. You could use floral wire or